Maaari mo bang mabenta ang property mo even if nasa pre-selling stage pa lang ito? Hi everyone, my name is Mark Dre Paloma and I've been doing real estate services for more than 7 years now. And I help people buy, lease, and sell the property for profit. And to answer the question, the answer is yes. Kung pwede mong mabenta ang property mo even if nasa pre-selling stage pa lang ito via DOA or Deed of Assignment. Ano ibig sabihin ng DOA or Deed of Assignment? Simple lang naman. Ito yung binibigyan mo ng authority or tina-transfer mo na yung ownership ng isang property to another person kasi nga probably hindi mo na kayang bayaran yung developer, ayaw mo na magbayad sa developer, or you lose interest for some reason na you lose interest in paying or continuing paying for the property na gusto mo na pre-selling stage pa nga lang. These are 3 things na kailangan mo tandaan bago ka mag-deed of assignment or bago mo i-transfer or ibenta yung property mo na pre-selling pa lang to another owner or buyer. Number 1, make sure you sign the contract to sell with the developer. Ibig sabihin ng contract to sell, ito yung agreement nyo ng developer at ikaw. Ito yung agreement nyo, meron nga kayong kontrata na mapupunta sa yung property kapag natapos mo yung pagbabayad ng payment term na binigay sa'yo ng developer. Now, kailangan mo mapakita yung notarized contract to sell na iyon sa buyer or panibagong magmamayari ng isang property para malaman niya na ikaw talaga yung owner. That will be your proof of ownership. Okay? And of course, number 2, you have to consider yung mga charges and fees. Siyempre, hindi naman libre na mag-transfer ng ownership from this buyer to another buyer. So you have to consider charges and fees. Tandaan mo to, some developer have a 6% capital gain tax na sinisingil sa dating owner na property na kailangan mo na ma-settle ng previous owner para ma-transfer niya yung ownership niya nga doon sa panibagong owner or sa buyer nga ng property. And number 3, last but not least, bago mo ibenta yung property mo na pre-selling stage pa lang, make sure na profitable ka naman. Diba, grabe, imagine mo, gumastos ka na rin ng hindi lang pera panahon at effort din ang ginastos mo sa property na to. Tapos, kailangan man lang, di ba, kumita ka man ng at least 20 to 30% from the investment na nilagay mo sa isang property. So, mahirap rin kasi kung sakaling break-even ka lang Hindi ka lang nag-ROI, but kumita ka na nga ulit ng 20-30%. So, iwasan mo rin yung mga pasalo. Alam ko naman, pasalo is ito yung term na hindi nakakayang bayaran ni previous owner yung property, kaya pinapasalo niya na doon sa new owner. And siya na nagpo-continue ng bayad sa developer. No? So, pwede naman yon, why not? Pero as I've said, I highly suggest na at least dapat kumita ka ng 20-30% bago mo ibenta yung property mo. Now, if you like this video and you want more of this, give it a thumbs up and follow for more.